Here's how you can fix the VAN9003 secure boot error. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel. It really helps support us. First, let's check whether secure boot is enabled or not. Press Windows plus R, type MSInfo32, and hit Enter. A window will appear. Look for Secure Boot State. If it shows off, we need to enable it. To enable Secure Boot, restart your laptop or PC and enter the BIOS menu. Every laptop brand has a specific key for entering the BIOS. I'll provide all the BIOS keys brand-wise in the description. In my case, I'm using an MSI laptop, so I'll press the Delete Dell key repeatedly while the laptop is starting. Once you're in the BIOS menu, look for the Advanced or Security tab depends on your laptop brand. Then find the Secure Boot settings. Open the Secure Boot settings and enable Secure Boot Control or Secure Boot, depending on your BIOS. Once enabled, press Esc or go to the Save and Exit option and save your changes. Your laptop or PC will restart automatically. After restarting, check the Secure Boot state again. It should now show on, and the VAN9003 error should be fixed.